general maintenance for an LG top-load washing machine, tub cleaning and leveling. Performing general maintenance is important in keeping your LG top-load washing machine running properly. In this video, we'll cover the tub clean cycle in Section 1, important tips in Section 2, and leveling the washer in Section 3. Let's begin. Section 1. Tub cleaning. Tub cleaning helps keep your LG top-load washer in optimal performing condition by removing detergent buildup and other residue and keeping the wash drum clean. LG recommends running the tub clean cycle after every 30 wash cycles or once per month. First, remove all clothing from the drum, then add the tub cleaning product. LG recommends using a washing machine tub cleaner according to the package instructions. Use a towel or soft cloth to wipe around the washer lid opening, the lid and door glass. Section 2. Important tips. It is always a good idea to remove items from the washer as soon as the wash cycle is completed. Leaving damp clothing in the washer can cause wrinkling, color transfer, and odors. After running the tub clean, leave the washer lid open to ventilate and dry the inside of the washer. If a musty smell already exists, run the tub clean cycle once a week for 3 consecutive weeks. Section 3. Leveling the washer. During the wash cycle, the drum of your top-load washer will spin at a very high speed. Therefore, it is important that the washer is leveled to help reduce noise and vibrations. Leveling the washer is critical when first setting up the washer, and it is a good idea to check that the washer is level from time to time. To do this, place a level across the top of the washer and check it from both front to back and side to side. If the washer is not level, loosen the lock nuts on all 4 leveling feet until you can turn the feet with the included wrench. Turn the bolts clockwise to raise the washer or counterclockwise to lower it. Do this until the bubble in the level stays right in the middle. Remember to keep the feet as short as possible. Extending the leveling feet more than necessary can cause the washer to vibrate. When finished, rock the washer gently from corner to see if it is perfectly leveled. If you are installing the washer with the optional pedestal, use the feet on the pedestal and keep the washer's leveling feet fully retracted and locked into position with the lock nuts. Once the washer is leveled from front to back and side to side, tighten all 4 lock nuts securely using the wrench. Make sure that all 4 leveling feet are in firm contact with the floor. Lastly, run the washer with a test load to determine if the unit is leveled. Place approximately 6 pounds of laundry in the washer, press power, select rinse and spin, and press start/pause. When the washer starts running, check to see if there is any rocking or vibration during the spin cycle. If so, repeat the leveling procedure. Note that some floor surfaces are too slippery to keep your washer from moving on the floor during unbalanced loads. If you observe this in your laundry room, LG recommends installing non-skid pads to prevent the washer from moving. Place the pads under both front feet, with the backing removed and the sticky adhesive side to the floor. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.